In this video, you will learn how to invite people to Discord server. The process is really simple and it is similar for Android as well as for iOS devices. So nothing to worry about if you are on Android. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once you are connected with the internet, tap and open your Discord application. So after opening your Discord application, tap on that particular server to which you want to invite people. Like for example, I want to invite people on this server. Once you have opened it, you can see three dots located on the right top corner. Tap on those, a pop-up menu will be opened. In that pop-up menu, there is an option of invite. Tap on that, and now you can see a link has been appeared. Tap on the share link button located on the bottom of screen, and now you can share that link with different people on WhatsApp, Instagram, and you can also paste your Discord link in your Instagram bio. So by this you can invite people to your Discord server. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe before leaving. Thanks.